Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'll tackle a rattle around the gear shift knob, which I heard during my last drive of the season. And with the warm weather around the corner, I want to tackle all the maintenance before I hit the road. A bit of side movement is normal. It's the knob that has that little bit of extra play which makes a rattling sound. I'll show you where the small Torx bolt is so we could tackle the simple fix which will tighten the shift knob. Start off by carefully sliding down the shift boot, which will expose the Torx 25 bolt. And this is the only bolt that secures that shift knob. Now with the bolt visible, I'll reach for my Vera kit that came with my 2023 Advent calendar. And once again, it's the Torx 25 that you'll need. As you can see by me going counter and clockwise, it was really loose, but far from popping out. Now simply tighten it to remove that rattle. Just make sure it's nice and secure, which won't take a lot of effort. If you feel the shift knob still has a slight wiggle to it, just retighten it. With that secure, we can now go ahead and reinstall the shift boot. With both hands, slide the leather boot back into place. This might take some patience as the boot needs to be placed into the groove just above the Torx bolt. The easiest way to do this is to just slide it back and forth while you're pulling up on the shift boot. Now just make sure it's secure while it's in place, nice and neat. There you have it. With your Torx bit, it's an easy fix to remove that rattle you are experiencing with your manual gearbox. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on Your Home Garage.